Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to send videos on Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you wanna do is open up your Gmail app on your Android device. Then tap the compose button, the pencil icon on the bottom right corner of the screen to start a new email. And into to field, enter the email address of the recipient. Then tap the paperclip icon on the top right corner of the screen to attach a file. Now, you can select attach file or insert from drive. Now, browse for the video you want to send. Now, it's already attached. Then, you can add the subject and message to the email you want. Then, tap the send button, the paper airplane icon on the top right corner of the screen. And it's already sent. Now, please note that depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, it may take some time for the video to upload and attach to the email. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!